Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your Android contacts live in Google so they can move quickly. On the phone, check Settings Accounts and force a sync. Wait until all contacts upload. Then pick up the iPhone, go to Settings, add the same Google account, and when prompted, enable Contacts. Once done, the iPhone will pull entries from Google. Give it a minute while it downloads names, numbers, and groups so everything appears in the native Contacts app. You'll now manage what actually lands on the iPhone. Open Contacts and use Groups to reveal the Google set. Make sure it's checked so entries display. If some items don't appear, return to Settings, Contacts, Accounts, and Verify Contacts is toggled on for Google, then force close and reopen Contacts to refresh. For duplicates or missing labels, clean up in Google Contacts on a browser. Those edits propagate back to the phone, so tidy now to avoid clutter later. You're almost done. Verify everything by opening contacts and sampling names, numbers, and photos. If you want new contacts to save to Google, change default account in Settings Contacts. Otherwise, export a VCF or backup to iCloud for safety. If something goes wrong, first ensure the Google password is correct and internet is working. Then toggle contacts off and on for that account, force a sync, and restart devices if needed. That usually resolves hung or partial syncs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.